Welcome to Hollis and Nancy's Homestead. My name is Nancy, and our vision is to inspire healthier families. If you like light and fluffy biscuits on the outside, and inside it's pillows of goodness, and it's absolutely delicious, this video is for you. Now, during the holiday season, one of my other favorite things to make is biscuits, homemade biscuits. And as a young woman, I used to work at Hardee's as the biscuit maker. Today, we are making a batch of buttermilk biscuits and we're going to Christmas Eve party. Hollis's cousins, Timmy and Lorraine, a beautiful couple that treat him like a brother and always have done all their lives. So it's nice to have families around. Now, for the past 7 years since his mother passed away, we really haven't celebrated the holidays. But now, with a new season and a wonderful, loving family, we're starting to be able to do that. The list of the ingredients for this and the helpful tip how you can make your own buttermilk biscuit will be at close to the end of this videos. Let's get going on making delicious, fluffy buttermilk biscuits. Now the first thing I'm going to do is get a mixing bowl and put 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to heat it up to 90 to 110 degrees. And then I'm going to use 1 package of yeast and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and put it inside and mix. Now you could use 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have no buttermilk, you can use 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And you need to bring it to warm 90 to 110 degrees. Now I like to grate my cold butter so that I don't have to mix the flour too much. And I just use 1 stick. See how beautiful it turned out? Makes it easy to mix with flour. Now I get 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, then add the yeast mixture, also 2 tablespoons of honey. And then I put in the grated butter, and I just gently fold it, just enough. Now, key tip is the less you handle the biscuit, the lighter and the fluffier the biscuit will be. And you're just gonna mix. And it's kind of cotton wet. Now you cover with a lid or plastic in one place for about an hour. Now while we're waiting, you can look at the fireplace. We have stockings up for the holidays. Turned out pretty good. We're really enjoying our fireplace this year. Now you need to make an egg wash. It's basically 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water, and mixed, and just put it to the side. Now, the biscuit's been resting for an hour, and you generously flour the surface with flour. And you put it in the center, and you just mix it a couple of times, just to press it out to about 1 to 1.5 inches thick. You want to cut it directly, press it completely down. You keep from twisting. Straight down. No twisting. It won't cook evenly if you do. Now place in a cooking sheet, not touching each other. And you just make biscuits out of the rest of them. You're just going to let it rest and put an egg wash on top. I made a double batch. So you're going to bake 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let me check on Bing Bing. He thinks that's his chair. He's just letting me share it. He loves that chair. As soon as it comes out, you're going to smother it with butter. It's going to keep it nice and moist. And it smells so good. Freshly baked biscuit, there's no smell like it when it comes out. I love making it. The biscuits are done. It's so yummy and delicious, and I'm sure you and your family is going to love it. And I ended up making 2 batches just to make sure we have plenty. As you know, goal of our homestead is to produce 90% of the foods that we eat. So we're going to be doing a lot of cooking around here. So we're going to be making a lot of videos on cooking and canning and preserving. So come and join us in our journey to eat 90% of our own foods. And it must be delicious for us to do that. The list of the products that we used on this video, some of them will be on the link below. Also, here's the list of the ingredients and helpful tips. And we will also put that on our Facebook page and our YouTube community tab. Thank you for watching this video. We love making it. If you like the videos, please share it, like it, and subscribe.
By His hands, we are fed. Give us, Lord,
our daily
bread.
Amen. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.